Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami bird, like so. In Seamus Heaney Listen Now Again, we are big fans of origami. Seamus Heaney enjoyed origami, he appreciated the shapes, and we have a really cool sculpture in the exhibition created by graffiti artist Mazer, which shows pages turning into books and then turning into birds. So you have to come and visit the exhibition to see that. But you could also make your own, and we are going to learn how to do that today. So you start off with a square of paper and you fold that in half so that it is a triangle, like so. When you've done that, you make another fold so that it looks like this. So we went from this to this. Then you simply take one layer and fold it back, like so. So we had this, and then I took one layer and folded it right along the center here, and then we're going to fold right down the center here. So give me a moment. So this is what it should now look like. You went from this to this, and now you fold down the wings along here. So there is one fold, and do exactly the same on the other side. Try and match it up. The important thing about origami is making sure that all of your folds are nice and neat the whole way along, and that you match the edges up as best possible. So now it looks like a bird, and to make it look even more like a bird, you just give it a beak, and that is the final step. You have made an origami bird, and if you wanted to make a little baby bird, you just start with a smaller square. Thanks for listening.